Greetings everyone, and welcome to my Python course. In this video, we are going to talk about augmented assignment. In Python, adding various symbols such as plus or minus to the equal sign is typically referred to as assignment with operation or augmented assignment. This concept allows us to perform an operation on a variable's value and then update the variable with the result in a more concise manner. Here are some common augmented assignment operators and their explanations, along with examples using numeric values. The first augmented assignment is plus and then the equal sign. For example, x equal 10 and y equal 5. So in the case of x plus equal y, then in this case when we print x equal 15. In this case, when we say x plus equal y, it means x equal to x plus y. And because x equal to 10 and y equal to 5, the print function of x, it gave us 15. And now let's go for another example with subtraction. When we say x equal to 10 and y equal to 5 also, so in this case, x minus equal y, this means x equal to x minus y, which means 5. So when we try to print here x, gives us 5. As we said, this is equivalent to x equal x minus y. It subtracts the value of y from the current value of x and assigns the result back to x. Now let's go for the multiplication example. X times equal y. This means x equal to x times y, which means when we print x, it means 10 times 5, which gives 50. Oh, it's not 50. Does anyone know why? Because in the last code, Python calculated x to 5. So 5 times 5 gives us 25. But when we perform the code again and we write x equal 10 and y equal 5, x times equal y, now it should be 50. Print x gives us 50. Now let's go for the division example. So when we say x equal 10 and y equal 5, so x over equal y, and then print x. So as we said, x equal 10 and y equal 5, so x over equal y. This means x equal x over y. And since x equal 10 and y equal 5, so it means 10 over 5. So it gives us 2. So here, 2. As we said, it divides the current value of x by the value of y and assigns the result back to x. Now let's go for the floor divide. In Python, floor divide is 2 slashes. So when x equal 10, y equal 5, then x, 2 slashes, and then equal y. This means x equal x over y, but what is the difference between 1 slash and double slash? In Python, double slash removes the remaining value. So when we print x, we should get the same value of 2. But in this case, we got 2 as integer, not as float, which is 2, not 2.0. So in Python, when you divide by 1 slash, you get a float. But when you divide by double slash, you get an integer. In addition, there is no remaining. Let's do another example in order to understand. For example, when we say x equal 6.4 and y equal 2, then x double slash equal y, and then we print x. In this case, we got 3, although it should be 3.2. But we got 3. For example, if x equals 6.4 and y equal 2 and I do division, slash over y, and then print x. Here I got 3.2, but when I put double slash, I got only 3. Now, let's talk about modulus and the augmented assignment. The modulus operation in Python, denoted by the percentage symbol, is a mathematical operation that calculates the remainder when one number, the divided, is divided by another number. The result of modulus operation is the remainder left after the division is completed. For example, we have two numbers, A is the dividend and B is the divisor. The modulus operation will be A modulus B. It calculates the remainder when A is divided by B. For example, if A equals 10 and B equals 3. So when we print A modulus B, it gives us 1, because 10 divided by 3 leaves a remainder of 1. And if A equals 17 and B equals 5, then when we print A modulus B, it gives us 2, because 17 divided by 5 leaves a remainder of 2. Let's say some key points to keep in mind about the modulus operation. The remainder of the modulus operation is always a non-negative integer. The remainder is always positive or 0. Divisor, not 0. The divisor in the modulus operation must not be 0. Division by 0 is undefined in mathematics. If the divisor is even, the remainder is 0 for even dividend and 1 for odd dividend. For example, print 8 modulus 2. It gives us 0. And when we print 9 modulus 2, it gives us 1. And finally, if the divisor is odd, the remainder is either 0 or an even number, depending on the dividend. For example, when we print 7 modulus 3, it gives us 1. And 11 modulus 3, it gives us 2. And now let's talk about the exponentiation. For example, x equals 2 and y equals 3. In order to make the exponentiation, we have to put double star. So x double star equal y. This means x equal x to the power of y, which means 2 to the power of 3. So when we print x, we get 8, because as we know, 2 times 2 times 2, 8. We can use these augmented assignment operators to update the value of a variable by performing an operation and assignment in a single step, which can make our code more concise and readable, especially when performing repeated operations on the same variable. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, share the video, and leave your comment under the comment section. Until next time, happy analyzing.